Hello everyone. I welcome you all in our virtual classes program of JetChris International School, School at Home, Standard 6, subject Mathematics, and I am your mathematics teacher JM Khan. And today we are going to continue our chapter 3rd, playing with number, and we will also practice our exercise 3.3. We'll start from question number 2. Okay, let us start. Exercise 3.3, and we have question number 2. Hope you are all of you have done question number 1, that was pH, last 6 rows of table, right? So let us start. So question number 2 is, using divisibility test, determine which of the following number are divisible by 4 and by 8, right? So we also can do it by using table format, right? Like by 4, okay, and by 8, and the rest of the thing you want to calculate, you can calculate over here, right, in rough area on the same page, but on the same page, so that when you will practice next time after few days, so it will be easy to remember you what operation we perform at the time of solving the question number 2 of exercise 3.3, right? So the first question is 572. See, so by 4 is it divisible or not? So first check. 72. So is 72 divisible by 4? Yes, 18 fours are 72. Clear? So yes. So you will write whole sentence, or you can write format in a tabular format. Yes, it is divisible by 4. Then the 572, is it divisible by 8? 572, is it divisible by 8? 8 sevens are 56. 12 is not divisible by 8, so no, it is not divisible by 8. Clear? Next is 7,26,352. 7,265,2. Okay, B. Clear? So first, 52. Is 52 divisible by 4? Yes, 13 fours are 52. Yes. That's why the table till 20 is most important for our calculation. Now, if the table, you learn table, you will solve it without using pen and paper. Directly you can say yes, it is divisible, no, it is not divisible. You can directly say it. Then 352, let us check. 352 by 8. 8 fours are 32. Remainder 3, again 2. 8 fours are, yes, exactly divisible by 8. Yes, it is also divisible by 8. Clear, the whole number. Now C is 550, right? 5500. That means 5500. So first check last 2 digit. Yes, last 2 digit is divisible by 4. That means 0. 0 is divisible by any number. So 4, it is also divisible by, yes, it is also divisible by 4. Next, here 500. We have 500 over here. I am checking 500 divisible by 8. Okay, 8 6 are 48. 2 0. 20 is not divisible by 8. 20 is not exactly divisible by 8, so no, it is not divisible by 8. Right? Next thing, 6,000 D. 6,000 is there, right? Last 2 digit is 0, so I am directly writing here. Yes, it is divisible by 4. And last 3 digits also is 0. Yes, it is also divisible by 8. Clear? Hope it is clear to all of you what I am doing here. Okay. Next. D is 6000. E is 12,159. Okay. E 12,159. Yes. Okay. Now 59. 59 is divisible by 4? No. No, it is not. Why? Because 4 ones are 4. Remainder 1. Then 9 down. 19. 19 is not divisible by 18. So we cannot say it is divisible by 4. No, it is not divisible by 4. Then 159. Let us check for 159. Is it 159? Because we are taking last 3 digits. Okay, if the last 3 digit is divisible by 8, then the whole number will be divisible by 8. This is our divisibility test that we have learned in previous video. So 8 ones are 8, 7, 9, right? 79 is not divisible by, because 8 nines are 72, remainder 7, and 7 is not divisible by 8. No, it is also not divisible by 8. It is not exactly divisible by 8. Clear? Clear? So take a screenshot if you want to. I am lacking space over here. So I am rubbing it and I will write over here. Clear? Take a screenshot if you want to. Next, we done E. Now F. Okay, just a minute. I lost that page. Yeah, F is 14560. F is 14560. Clear? Now, how to do it? So, here we have 60 over here. Is it divisible by 4? Yes. 15 4s are 60. Yes. 4 15s are 60. Yes, it is divisible by 4. But 560. Now I am dividing 560 by 8. 8 7s are 56 0 0. Right? Yes, it is also divisible by 8. G is 21,084. 84. Yes, 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are, that means 21. Right? Yes, it is divisible by, these 2 is divisible by 4, that means whole number is divisible by 4. Now I am taking this 3. Okay, now 8, 3 is also 84. 8 ones are 8, but 4 is not divisible by 4 is not divisible by 8, so it won't be divisible by 8. Clear? 0 84, that means 84 only. Clear? Next thing is Hij, right? Hij. So Hij, very simple. Clear? Let us do it here only. H 317950 72. Okay, first 2 digits 72. Yes, 72 is divisible by 4. Why? 18 4s are 72. Yes. And here also we have 72. Is it divisible by 8? 72 is divisible by 8? Yes. 8 9s are 72. Yes. Now, next is I. That is 1700. 1700. First 2 digit is 0. Directly write yes. Why? Because we already did it. Right? Now, 700. Is 700 divisible by 8? No, I don't think so. Let us solve it. 8 8s are 64, remainder 6, then 0. 8 7s are 56, remainder 4. No, remainder is 4. It is not divisible by 8. If this last 3 digit is not divisible by 8 of any number, then the number will not be divisible by 8. Clear? Next, last sub question of our second question, that is 2150. 2150. Okay, so here we can directly see, here is 50, it is no, and find out this thing. Okay, just pause video and find out. 150. 150 is divisible by no, it is not divisible by 8. You can divide it and check this out. Just take a screenshot of it, of second question. Now we are proceeding to our next question, that is question number 3. Okay, next. See why I am doing this thing? Whole question. Because if I am taking this whole question, you will be used to of these things. Because we are doing directly, okay? You can do it in two ways. You can do it first in a tabular form, second in statement form. Yes, it is. Then you will write a statement. Yes, it is divisible by 4. Then second, it is divisible by 8. That statement you have to write. Clear? In both, you can write answer in your notebook in both the way. First in tabular form, second in statement form. No issue. Next, that is question number 3. Using divisibility test, find out determine which of the following number are divisible by 6. Right? So now we are going to discuss how to check the divisibility test of 6. So I'm just thinking how to do it in a more easiest way. By 6, so we need 2 and 3, right? So what I will do, I will write by 2 first, then by 3, then by 6. Because if I want to divisibility, is it divisible by 6 or not? So we need these two things. It should be divisible by both 2 and 3, right? So first question is 2,97,144. 2,97,144. Yeah, I will shift it a little by 2, by 3 and by 6. By 2, by 3 and by 6. In a similar way I am doing it in a tabular form, right? So here we have 144. So simple, it is very simple to find out is it divisible by 2 or not. How? See, if the unit digit contains even number, that is 24680, then it will be divisible by 2. Yes, 4. It is unit digit is 4. Yes. Okay, now for 3, just take a sum. 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 7, 16, 16 plus 9, 25, 25 plus 2, 27. So is it 27 divisible by 3? Yes, 3 9s are 27, yes. So you also have to calculate this thing verbally, okay? Because very simple thing, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 1, 9 plus 7, 16 plus 9, 25 plus 2, 27. Is 27 comes in a table of 3? Yes. 23 9s are 27. Yes. If both is yes, if it is both, if this number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then it is only it will be divisible by 6. Clear? That's why we have taken 2 and 3 parameter also. Clear? Okay, next thing. 1258, very simple. B is 1258. 1258. Yes, 8 is here. Yes. Then 8 plus 5, 13 plus 2, 15 plus 1, 16. 16 is not divisible by 3. Okay, so if it is not divisible by, if it, here we do not have yes at both the places, we cannot write yes over here. Okay, hope you are getting it. C. What is C? C is 4335. 4335. But I want to check it once. Yeah, clear. 4335. Now check this out. Okay, now here it is no, it is not divisible by 2. Clear? Because we have odd number here. So will you find divisibility of 3? No. If you get 1 no, so definitely here we won't get divisibility test of 6, because we want both the yes over here. Okay, if we get no, so directly write no over here. No need to find out divisibility test of 3. Clear? Is it clear to all of you? So next thing, D, just write 61233. 61233. Okay, so 3 is not divisible by 2, so no need to find this thing. Here also I am writing no. Right? So we have how much question? D. After D, E, F, G, H, I, J. We have 6 parameters again. So you have to find in the same. This is a pH. This sixth sub question of question number 3 is pH. And now let us solve question number 4. Okay, question number 4 is about using the divisibility test, determine which of the following number are divisible by 11. Okay, very nice. Divisibility test of 11 I am writing over here. Question number 4. Pay attention. Very important question. A is given 5445. 5445. Okay, alternate digit I am taking. Right? 5 plus 4. Here first 5 plus 4. 9. Okay, I am taking it first. Simple way. Okay. 5 plus 4. 9. Then I am taking 4 plus 5. Then again 9. Then I am taking difference. 9 minus 9 is 0. So if it is 0, 0 is divisible by 11. Yes, it is divisible by 11. Why? Because 0 is divisible by 11. That's why the whole number, yes, it is. It means this number 5445, or I can write here 5445 is divisible by 11. Clear? This is how you will write answer. So you can write even places. Okay, even places, odd places, right? Whatever you want to write, you can write, and this presentation is must, right? Why? Because we are adding alternate digits. Next question, that is question B. Question B is 10824. 10824. So here I am taking alternate digits. 1 plus 4, 5 plus 8, 13, minus 0 plus 2, 11. Yes, now I'm doing directly. Okay, if you want to, you can write step by step. I told you how to write this question in book, as I did in question number A, right? 13 minus 12, 11. So 11 is divisible by, hence, yes, 10824 is divisible by how much? 11, right? Because the 11 is divisible by 11. Clear? Next. Next, question C. Very much up. Question 4th C. Okay. Now 7138,965. 38, I think. Yes, 38965. 38965. Okay, this is the number given. Right now, alternate digits. 7. Okay, now check this out. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. 19 plus 4. Sorry, 19 plus 5, that is 24. Now, 1 plus 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6, 14 plus 1, 15. Here comes 9. No. So, no. Hence, no. 7, 1. I am doing it directly. Okay. You have to do it carefully, step by step, if you want. Okay. 7 plus 3. Okay. So, 71,38,965 is not divisible by, because 9 is not divisible by because 9 is not divisible by 11. That's why it is also not divisible by 11. Clear? Okay. Now D, E and F. Question number 4th, D, E and F will be homework to all of you, and we are done with our question number 4. In next, we will complete our exercise and we will see common factors and common multiples. Okay, so hope you will do it properly. Okay, so complete your PH of question number 3 and 4, and we will discuss more interesting thing in next video. Okay, so thank you so much. Stay safe and keep practicing of mathematics.